Ready for some epic road trips? Jump into the driver's seat of the Rex Rover, a motorhome built on a powerful Ford F-250 chassis. With a mighty 430 horsepower V8 engine, this beast can conquer almost any terrain. It even comes with towing hooks and a winch for those extra tough spots. Once you're at camp, kick back in total comfort. The Rex Rover features a king-size bed and a hot water shower. Plus, it's packed with home appliances like a microwave and washing machine. Just a heads up, the price starts at $350,000, so you might want to start saving now. Gundaga and Yanis purchased some land on the banks of the Bara River in Evia, with the intention of establishing the first glamping retreat in the Baltics, a location for cozy relaxation and spiritual activities. However, they were unable to locate the appropriate tents for their project. So they, with the assistance of a friend who is a builder, they created a design that combined a tent and a cabin. It was so popular that they started the Glamp House company in 2021 and currently sell a number of models, one of which is called Barter, after the river that served as its inspiration. The Bara 32 tent costs at least $6,675. It takes a two-person crew approximately 11 hours to erect the Bara 32, which can comfortably house 6 people and offers 32 square meters of customizable space options, including a kitchen unit, a loft, a terrace, and more. Up next is something truly different, a modern twist on the classic houseboat. Imagine a 23 square meter home floating peacefully on water, offering all the comforts you'd expect from a cozy cabin. Designed to handle the cool, rainy weather of Northern Ireland, this floating home includes a warm bedroom, a bathroom, and a combined kitchen and living space. Step outside, and there's a deck made for sunset views and weekend barbecues. From a hot water system to a fully equipped kitchen, a shower, toilet, and even smoke detectors, it's all here. And the best part? If you want something extra, the team is more than happy to customize it just the way you like. So, what would your dream floating home look like? Giant mobile homes or spaceship-like constructions are unnecessary when camping because the main goal is to experience nature. A basic tent like those made by Alu-Cab will work. These models are made to be mounted on car roofs and are lightweight. For instance, the IT-50 tent weighs only 46 kilograms, but when folded, it can accommodate 2 people comfortably. It doesn't interfere with driving and can reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. The latter is an example of the tent's thoughtful design, as it is made for comfortable barefoot climbing. Considering its features, it's surprising that the IT-50 costs only $2,990. If you love car camping, check out the SEQUOIA, a fold-out trailer that quickly transforms into a huge tent, roomy enough for up to 10 people. Setting it up takes just about 25 minutes, which is impressive considering it offers a generous 29 square meters of living space. For those who enjoy cooking outdoors, there's even an option to add a kitchen. And when it comes to comfort, the SEQUOIA's got you covered with its state-of-the-art ventilation system called Surround. It creates the perfect microclimate inside while standing strong against storms. Ready to upgrade your camping game? The Aurora model, which starts at $145,000 and offers 48 square meters of transformable space, expands from 2.6 to 4.6 meters when the house reaches its destination, giving the impression that it would be difficult to furnish normally. However, from some angles, it's easy to mistake the interior of the Aurora for an apartment because the bedroom, kitchen, living room, and other rooms are all fully furnished and equipped with appliances like a stove and an oven. ZeroSquared has a unique vision for mobile housing. Additionally, high ceilings add to the model's sense of space. Did you know that 83% of remote workers say they're happier than those stuck in traditional office jobs? And 77% even claim they're more productive. Sounds like a win-win, right? But there's a catch. Working from home can blur the line between personal and professional life. It can lead to burnout, stress, and that stuck-inside feeling. That's exactly what the creators of this amazing truck wanted to fix. What you're looking at on the screen isn't just a vehicle, it's a fully mobile office designed to keep you focused, flexible, and stress-free. And when the day is done, this smart setup transforms into a cozy bedroom. So, why not take your office where the fresh air lives and let nature fuel your inspiration? All you need is a van and a VANCUBIC module to have a camping truck. It's that simple. The module fits into any L2H2 van or larger vehicle, like a Ford Transit or a Mercedes Sprinter. The customer can choose features like a kitchen, a sofa bed, a shower, and a bed. The best part is that the module is classified as cargo, so no permits are required, and it can be installed in an hour by one person. However, you cannot be inside the module while driving. The module costs $17,100. Imagine a luxury motorhome designed to carry a Bugatti. Sounds wild, right? Well, it's real, and here's how. German designers made this dream come true with the Volkner Mobil Performance S. This high-end motorhome features a built-in garage spacious enough for a Bugatti or any car up to 4.6 meters long. Want to personalize it? No problem. Whether it's a wooden or stone sink, a convection oven, or even massage and heated seats, all can be added for a fee. Just keep in mind, this masterpiece comes with a $2 million price tag, earning its place as one of the priciest motorhomes of the year. Say hello to the LANDPOD, a house on legs that brings comfort and charm wherever you place it, whether it's in the woods, by the shore, or on a hillside. Designed as a glamping pod, it's way more comfortable than a tent, though it skips the fancy stuff like TVs or washing machines. But what it lacks in tech, it makes up for in smart design, with extra space under the floor for storing firewood or gear. Built tough and maintenance-free, you don't even need to dismantle it for winter. Setup takes just about an hour, and once inside, you'll feel like you've stepped into a cozy hobbit hole. The PODA model fits 2 adults and 2 kids, all for $11,370. Let's take a trip to New Zealand, the iconic filming spot of The Lord of the Rings. When you see these tiny houses, you can't help but wonder, would the hobbits feel at home here? Although production is paused for now, anyone can buy the blueprints and try building one themselves. The house measures just 8 meters long, but it smartly fits a living room, kitchen, bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and even a staircase cabinet into every inch of space. Plus, since it's built on a tandem axle trailer, you're free to take it on adventures anywhere you want. And the best part? The plans cost only $100. Ready to build your hobbit dream? Long before RVs and luxury campers, wagons like these were the go-to way to explore the vast flat lands of the American Midwest. And while tech has come a long way, nothing can truly replace the charm and nostalgia these wagons bring. That's why PlainsCraft is reviving history with their handcrafted glamping wagons, inspired by traditional designs but built for modern comfort. Think of them as cozy cabins on wheels, minus the highway speeds. You won't be towing these with your truck, but inside you'll find air conditioning, a full bathroom, and enough space for up to 8 people, depending on the layout. Each 8 by 3.2 meter wagon is carefully handmade using wood and canvas, blending rustic vibes with serious comfort. At around $27,000, it's more than just a camper. It's an experience you'll never forget.